Transforming manufacturing with Microsoft Copilot Studio. The manufacturing industry is driven by innovation. Today, AI is reshaping the modern manufacturing sector, and Microsoft Copilot Studio can help you leverage AI to take your manufacturing processes to the next level. AI is transforming the way manufacturers work, bringing efficiency, precision, and scalability. From reducing downtime to improving quality, AI helps you explore new possibilities. Microsoft Copilot Studio is a powerful platform designed to integrate AI in your everyday manufacturing operations. With Copilot Studio, you can build your own conversational AI assistant, which will help you automate repetitive tasks, streamline workflows, and generate actionable insights. Copilot Studio can help you build an assistant that can help you monitor equipment in real time, predict failures, and schedule maintenance proactively. Your AI assistant helps you to reduce downtime and boost productivity. Struggling with overstock or stockouts? Copilot Studio uses AI to optimize inventory management, making sure that you have the right materials at the right time, saving costs and reducing waste. By analyzing production data in real time, your Copilot AI assistant will identify defects and help you maintain quality standards throughout the process. Data is powerful only if you know how to use it. Copilot can turn complex manufacturing data into clear, actionable insights, helping you make smarter, faster decisions. Microsoft Copilot Studio is your partner in building a smarter, more agile manufacturing ecosystem. It makes speed, accuracy, and innovation more accessible to your business. The future of manufacturing is here. Is your business ready for it? Let Microsoft Copilot Studio help you transform your operations. Get ready to evolve with purpose.